Dear students, in this video, I will show you how to make a twisted block as shown in figure. So, yeah, when I view from this side, okay, so the block looks like this one. This one is the left side view, and yeah, how to make this one? We use multi-section solid, and we should create 3 square sections. One is here, and another one is here, and another one is here with a gap 100 millimeter. Okay, so then we use multi-section solid, and we should change the closing point of the, for example, for the first section, closing point here. Okay, closing point here. For the second section, closing point should be changed to here. So for the third section, closing point should be changed to here. Then you will get a counterclockwise twist when I see from the left side. Okay, when I see from the left side. So you should change the closing point of the sketch 2 to should be here. I mean, when you see the closing points along this corner, okay, you should change to here. You change to here. But in figure, right, if it is a clockwise, right, so if the closing point for the sketch 1 is here, second sketch should be here, and third sketch should be other point, clockwise twist. Okay, so that's depending on the twist in which direction. Yes, okay, so let's start it with part design. Twisted block. Okay, so I'm going to create a sketch square cross section, right, on ZX plane, because this is a side view. You can also choose YZ plane, but I want to keep the same view in CATIA, right? So ZX plane. So select sketch. So rectangle, central rectangle. You can also use a normal rectangle. Okay, I feel for center rectangle. So 100. Then this is also same length 100 square, actually square. So now we should create a plane starting from ZX plane. Okay, I mean reference plane is ZX plane. So with the gap 100. Okay, so click on OK and copy this one, right? Same, right? You have to create same sketch. So you can copy sketch 1. Select sketch 1, or you can select from here. Copy this one. So where I should copy? On this plane. Select this plane and paste. Okay, Control V, and make another plane from here 100. Same, and paste. I already copied, right? So select that plane, right click your mouse and paste, right side mouse button. Okay, so now you see, when I see from the left side, okay, like this one, now you can rotate. Okay, so to avoid confusion, so we start to multi-section solid. Okay, multi-section solid. Section 1 is this one, section 2, section 3. Let's see the left hand side, right? Left hand side. So you see, yeah, so I want to get a counterclockwise twist, right? So then the closing point should be changed to here for the second sketch. The third sketch, closing point should be changed to here. Okay, so you see here, the closing point for the sketch 1 is here, right? Sketch 2 should be here, sketch 3 should be here, to get a counterclockwise. In the figure, it's a counterclockwise. Okay, and I see from the left hand side. To change the closing point to here, and change the closing point to here. Okay, yeah, I mean, yeah, in our sketch, right, closing point is showing for the sketch 1 here, so sketch 2 should be here and sketch 3 should be here, because I want to get a counterclockwise twist. If you select the other direction, you will get a clockwise twist. Okay, so click on OK. Oh, so I did not change. Delete. I forgot to change the closing point for the sketch. So replace 2 here, and yeah, this one should be replaced to here. Okay, sorry, not here, here. Okay, so click on okay. So click on okay. So when I see from the left side, right? Right view, left view. So it's a counterclockwise twist. If you want to get a clockwise twist, right? Clockwise twist. So clockwise twist, right? So our closing point here initially for all sections. So clockwise means we should change for the second sketch, closing point should be here, and the third sketch, closing point should be here. So when I see from the left hand side, I want to get a clockwise twist. So yeah. So replace this one to here and replace the third closing point to here. So click on OK. Yeah. So when I see from the left hand side, left view, it's a clockwise twist. Okay, clockwise. Both are not same. Okay, right hand side twist and left hand side completely different. Okay. Yeah, that is how we make this one. Thank you.